I'm Tara. I'm going to show you some things that maybe you didn't know you could do in SimpleMDM. Today's lesson is going to be on how to fix things so your users don't drive you crazy. It's going to be a simple command. We're going to talk about uptime and maybe how to reboot your computers each week, because we all know that our users lie to us, right? Yeah, they do. Let's do some scripts. First thing is we're going to navigate down here to scripts and let's make one. Create a script. Already made one, but this one's for uptime. So you know the command uptime tells you how long the computer's been turned on. The user's going to tell you, I restarted it yesterday. Lies! We know they're lying. So you're going to type these commands, uptime, then we're going to say save. Now we want to save the results of this script on the device attributes itself. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to make that custom attribute. So let's come over here and go to attribute and let's make one. See right here, add attribute. We're going to add it and we're going to be super original. We're going to call it uptime and hit save. Now we've made our attributes. So now let's figure out a cadence with which we want to find that information and pull it into our console. And we do that by attaching the script to a job. So hit job. Over here again, we're going to create a job. And here it is right here. Name the job, uptime, attach the script. And then we're going to pick our target computers that we want the script to run on. You can do individual computer, you can do computer groups. Next thing is we're going to say, do we want it to run ASAP, run later, or run recurrently? So let's say we want it to run every Friday. Okay, you can have it end if you want to, but we want that information. We never want it to end. And then store the script output in the custom attribute that we just made. So make sure you click that and then specify it right here. This asks you where you want to put it, and we're going to put uptime because we just made that. And then click create. So now, where does this show up? You might ask. I'm going to come back to devices here and I'm going to search my device. Okay, and my device is going to come up and I'm going to click on it. And if I click right here on settings and I scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see I have this custom attribute uptime, and it's going to tell me how long it's been since I've restarted that machine. We're going to build on this. So here's another script that you can put in your toolkit that's going to help out. Let's go back to scripts. And I'm going to show you one more thing to bring it all in. We're going to do a script to do a weekly reboot. So again, create a script. And this script we actually borrowed from La Clementine, and here's the address if you want to also borrow this handy script. And the way this script works is it takes action based on information it gets from the computer. If this computer has been up for 7 days, send the user this message. If the computer's been up for 14 days, send this message. And it gets more and more assertive / aggressive to the point where it's going to send the user a message saying, we're gonna reboot this computer. Hurry and save your stuff. So make sure you read through it. Don't just send it out to everyone in your environment. Read through and see what it does, because here's our last warning. We're going to reboot it. Okay, and then we're going to save it, just like we did in the other one. Make sure you have this enable support. Save it. Again, you're going to go in and make the attribute. You're going to create a job, attach the script to the job, and then set the cadence of when you want that to run. Okay, so let's tie it all in. If I come back to all my devices and I click right here on columns, you see down here at the very bottom, let me scroll down here, I can click and unclick those values and they will show up right here. So as I come in every day or every other day, I can see what machines have been up for a long time and might be having some problems later. So I know which ones to then target. So maybe you don't want to automate that weekly reboot. Maybe you want to wait and see who's been up for a long time and then send the script out. Those are little tricks for today. Hopefully those are going to help you out. I'm Tara with PDQ. Thanks for watching.